Khera do it. Everything is nice. He's good doctor and service nice also. High human, high feeling for me and for my patient. Everything is well. And she walk and she cook before maybe 7 days after operation.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Can we see the movement of a leg? Bend and tell her to bend and straighten it out. No, just ask her to bend. Bend.
ارفعها.
Straighten it out like this.
مد رجليك لفوق. رجع شوية أنا رجع قصيص. لاست بليز. سامي شوية. ارفع رجليك لفوق. ارفعي لفوق ليش؟ شيل. Yes. This is leg. This is operation before maybe after 7 days.
Okay, bend.
Yes.
Bend it.
Bend it.
Bend it. Bend it.
Yes. أرجع إلى جوا. Yes.
Very good.
Yes. This is.
Straighten it out. Straight.
أرجعيها.
Bend. Very good. So, are you happy with after coming to India?
Yes. India people, I see everything in India good. Maybe I speak English not very well, but maybe understand me who see me and hear me what I speak.
Thank you.
Everything in India good. People, high feeling, all of them good. Service good. I thank you. Thank you very much for Ayushman Hospital and my doctor, maybe I don't speak very well, Dr Gaurav Khera. He's very, very nice, and I hope that.
Thank you.
Fine.
Okay, you ask her to turn and come back. Turn and come back.
For more information, contact Dr. Khera's Wellness Clinic.